In this video, we'll show you how to fix touchpad issues on your Dell laptop. If the touchpad on your Dell laptop isn't responding correctly, start with the simplest fix, cleaning the surface. A touchpad that is dirty or damp can interfere with its ability to detect your input accurately. Gently wipe the touchpad using a dry, soft cloth to remove any dust, smudges, or debris. Avoid using liquids directly on the surface, as moisture can affect performance. Keeping the touchpad clean and dry ensures smooth and consistent operation. Next, make sure the touchpad is turned on in your system settings, as it may have been disabled accidentally. Click on the Windows Start button and type Touchpad Settings into the search bar, then open it from the results. Once inside, check that the touchpad toggle is switched to on. If you're navigating without a working touchpad, you can use the Tab, Shift, and Enter keys on your keyboard to move through options and make selections. After enabling the touchpad, test it again. If it's still not working, restart your system and check if the issue is resolved. Keeping your system optimized can often resolve touchpad issues caused by outdated software or drivers. If you don't already have SupportAssist installed, use the link provided to watch our download and installation tutorial. Before starting, make sure your laptop is connected to a power source to avoid interruptions. Open SupportAssist by searching for it in the Windows Start menu. In the Home tab, click on Update Software, then press Start to allow the app to scan for updates. Once the scan is complete, click View Updates and then Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install all recommended updates and restart your computer when prompted to apply the changes. An outdated operating system can also cause your touchpad to malfunction, so it's important to ensure Windows 11 is fully updated. Click the Start button and open Settings. Then select Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates, and Windows will notify you if any updates are available. Follow the prompts to download and install them. To stay up to date automatically, turn on the option to receive the latest updates as soon as they're available. Keeping your system current helps maintain compatibility with drivers and hardware features like your touchpad. If your touchpad still isn't working, running a diagnostic test can help pinpoint the issue. Open SupportAssist from the Start menu. Then click on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Support. Under the Test My Hardware section, click Get Started. Scroll down to Other Devices and locate the HID-compliant touchpad option, then click Run Test. Select Start and follow the on-screen prompts, performing any requested actions. Once finished, click Done to complete the test. The results will help determine whether the issue is hardware-related or something that can be fixed through software. If your touchpad is still not functioning after completing these steps, reach out to us through social media for additional assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos on our channel for helpful Dell support tips and solutions.